All right, I'm trying this again. This is 8 for example 1. Try it. This is the only one that I'm going to do. Super, super short. So, as I said in that last video, vertical angles are congruent. So if this angle and this angle are congruent or equal to each other, then that means that you could write the equation 3x minus 6, that yellow angle on top, we know it has to equal 114 degrees. There's nothing else that it could equal. So if you want to find x, and I'm going to try to do this with my finger, we know that the angle 3x minus 6 is supposed to be 114 degrees, which means we're trying to find, the value of x. So the first thing that we can get rid of is that minus 6 part. So we're going to add 6 to both sides, and then we're going to rewrite what we have. So on the left-hand side of the equal sign, all we're left with is 3x. The equal sign is still there, and it's going to equal 120. So if 3 times x is 120, 3 times what number is 120? So we divide both sides by 3 to get that answer, and we end up finding out that x is going to equal 40. So if we take it and we check it, 3x minus 6 is supposed to be 114 degrees. If we put 40 in place of the x, 3 times 40 is 120, and 120 minus 6 is 114. So the value of x is 40, because that's what it would have to be in order for that entire angle to be 114. How can you use an equation when solving for x in the diagram? We just did. That's it. That's all I got for right now. Bye.